How to fix login errors on Roblox. Now if you want to fix your login errors on Roblox, first it depends upon what kind of issue you're having. The first thing we want to make sure is it's not the issue with the internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. We also want to make sure it's not the issue with the apps. So if you're using on Android, you can simply open settings, then you can simply navigate to the apps section right here. When you navigate to the apps section, these are the options you will see over here. You can simply search for the Roblox app and then tap on it. Then from here, what you want to do is just simply go to the storage option that you can find here. From the storage option, you can just tap on clear cache and also make sure to clear the data. After you do this, simply launch your Play Store or your App Store, then simply also search for the Roblox app. Check if it has any sort of updates available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Now if it doesn't, last but not the least, the only issue that you could potentially have is your login information. So you actually want to check by going to the sign in option that either your username, email or your phone number is incorrect, or either your password. If you forgot your password, then you can tap on this option that says forgot username or password. Then when you tap on it, you should be able to reset your Roblox ID with your email address or your phone number if you want to. And these are the ways on how you can solve login errors on Roblox. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.